Birioti Mafia.
Sir, yes, sir!
In today's video, we are doing a phone review. This is a Spark 8 Tecno.
Yes.
Am I correct?
Very correct.
So I'm actually a guest here, and I'm going to allow you to do the rest, and I'll be asking questions to make this whole thing interesting. Because when I look at it, it's portable,
Very.
and I really, really want Zimbabweans to enjoy this. Why Spark 8?
Okay, this is the Tecno Spark 8, latest of the Spark series, which is very known around Zimbabwe. Why Spark 8? We always want to catch up with technology. I can't say on first preference, but they always want to catch up with technology, guys from Tecno. They want to have the latest technology on their latest phone for the minimum budget.
Because like their motto is saying, stop at nothing.
Yeah, every phone that they released is always the catchphrase.
Okay.
Like what they did with Spark 7 was, all you need is Spark. And then for this Spark 8, is stop at nothing. So this is what they just started with the Spark series and the Camon series. They're now writing a motto or the name of the phone at the back here for us to know that this is actually the original phone than just to see a basic phone. There are so many fake phones right now.
Okay, Eli, I want you to tell people, like you said, that this is an original phone.
Yes.
People must know that.
Yes, people should know that.
Like when it comes to the screen, I could see like it's the best in the business. Why is it the best in the business? And is there a difference with other phones, like in terms of the screen?
Okay, what they do with Spark, right? The Spark series is they want to make the best specs with the minimum cost.
Okay,
You understand?
Best specs
with the minimum cost.
Okay, I understand.
For example, this phone like this Spark 8 is a 64 gig memory and 2 gig RAM, but you can find it less than 150 USD.
Wow,
You see?
that's really cheap.
Yeah, that's really cheap, and you got fingerprint and you got 60 megapixel double camera.
Wow. How about the battery life?
The battery life is 5,000 milliamps battery life, so this is basically the highest battery you can put on the phone, even though people are now putting 6,000.
Like 5,000
milliamps.
Okay. Wow, that's a battery life for a phone that costs like how much?
140, 145, even 130. Talk about the one octa core when you talk about gaming. This one got a 1.8 gigahertz octa core.
I don't understand much about that. Can you explain? Like, what are we saying?
Octa core, right? This is more like the processing speed. This is 1 gigahertz. That means it's 1 gigahertz times 8 processing.
So it's fast.
It's fast.
There are certain phones out there that don't come with what they call game mode. Does this Spark 8 contain like a gaming mode, something like that?
Yeah, it is what we call the gaming mode. The gaming mode is used when you are playing a game. You don't want to be disturbed, right?
Okay.
Yeah, when you're playing a game, let's say you're playing Call of Duty or PUBG or whatever, you're playing with Asphalt, right?
Exactly.
When you're playing that thing, right, you don't want to be disturbed, but it just shows you a WhatsApp message just on the top of your game that you can easily write and then go on to your game.
Yes, if you are watching and you want this phone, Spark 8, this is like the coolest phone that we have right now in Zimbabwe. It's really interesting. Tecno have done it. So if you want this phone, there are contact numbers that you can see on the screen, and I'll personally deliver this phone to you. It's Birioti, your guy here. I'll definitely deliver the phone to you. I mean, let's speak about the price.
Okay.
I want you again, like I've been telling you to talk about the price like over and over again. So I want you to like say it again.
Okay, me and Birioti Mafia, we're selling this phone for 140 USD, 64 gig memory, 2 gig RAM, 5,000 milliamps battery.
That's affordable.
Right, and this is the latest of the Spark series.